And 3, 2, 1. Arnav, why are we wearing matching shirts today?
We are live. That's why.
I just realized.
हाँ मैंने realized when you were setting it up.
और तूने जीन्स ब्लू पहनी है, मैंने ब्लू पजामे पहने हैं, मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है मॉडर्न स्कूल के बच्चे
I swear मेरे को भी ये लगा कि
दोनों यूनिफॉर्म में
मेरे white shoes भी हैं.
चप्पल. So I guess that's some saving grace, but
Doggy don't care.
Doggy don't care to come in this MSBK behind the scenes vlog.
MSBK. But I have a solution. See, magic.
You just disturbed her. That was
Sponsored by the Sploot harness. My key takeaway in the last 2 weeks professionally was that it's that performance marketing can really bleed someone, and the right way to build is to focus a lot more initially on the non-performance marketing, because performance is the easiest. It's just a tap that you can switch on, switch off depending on the cash you have, but it's not long sustaining if not done well. So that was my biggest takeaway, that you cannot, irrespective of your, actually maybe at a certain scale you can give less emphasis to it, but in the early stage definitely you cannot ignore the real parts of marketing. Well, I shouldn't call it real parts of marketing, the long sustaining parts of marketing, such as referral flows, referral journeys, organic, word of mouth, giving that extra emphasis to the quality of service so that people can talk about it. And I will naturally talk about it. All of that is the stuff that you just cannot forget about in the early days. That's my big takeaway. And brand level stuff, stuff.
चल लाइफ के बारे में बता दे यार.
Last 2 weeks,
what's on your mind? Last time we spoke about AI.
Oh, some fun stuff happened. Replit
What?
पे मैंने 2-3 और ऐप बनाई, बहुत मजा आया.
क्या बनाया?
But actually थोड़ा fraud है ऐप बनाना बोलना. मतलब till you've really deployed it and got customers on it, I don't think you can really say that you've built an app.
Yeah.
But I think I'll take the step of doing that for a couple of them. But this makes me think even more actually about distribution and trust. If it's becoming so commoditized to make an app, and maybe not so commoditized, the complicated parts of building an app will still for a little while be, I think, human run. Only basic apps can be made. But the importance of having an audience that trusts you, that is willing to try it and experience it, becomes way more important.
Correct. In fact, somebody was tweeting, my major source of information, Twitter. Formerly known as Twitter, now X. That people think that AI will mean that engineers and people who can code are going to become that much more important. But actually, it's going to be people who can build distribution.
Yeah, no, I think
because,
so.
Because, obviously, AI is going to help people who can actually do engineering, do it even better, even faster, do even more, all of that. But unless you can build distribution, so whether you're an engineer or not, wo to hai, but you'll still have to be somebody who can build distribution. Because if making the tool is not a moat, making the tech is not a moat, it basically comes down to how many people know about you.
Yeah.
And how many people are, do you have access to?
So,
fundamentals नहीं बदले, कुछ चीजें बदल गई हैं. It's like how things, I guess ऐसी conversation होती होगी when things like digital media would have started in say the marketing world. कि वो future होगा, digital, जिसको digital आता है वही रहेगा, traditional खत्म हो जाएगा. But I think when I started marketing, I remember मैंने internship करी थी अपनी digital isobar में करी थी मैंने. उस time digital marketing was fairly new. Like it used to be a very small proportion of budgets for brands. It was like हाँ ठीक है, selfie contest होते थे उस time पे सिर्फ. Social media भी नया था क्योंकि, और ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी नया था. I remember मैंने हर ब्रांड के लिए, WeChat ब्रांड था एक जिसमें मैं काम करी थी, एक Philips था, ऐसे 2-3 और थे. सबके लिए सेल्फी कॉन्टेस्ट है, फिलिप्स के हेयर ट्रिमर बियर्ड ट्रिमर है, उसमें सेल्फी कॉन्टेस्ट, हर सेल्फी कॉन्टेस्ट नाम सुन के मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया था, बट वो 1-2 साल सबके सेल्फी कॉन्टेस्ट ही होते थे सिर्फ, वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग होता था सिर्फ, एक माइक्रो साइट बना दो, माइक्रो साइट यूज्ड टू बी अ थिंग, they used to develop a microsite as part of the digital
And
marketing.
for that, you needed a software developer.
Yeah, because the microsite was, you know, okay, this is where people will see the rules of the contest and they'll upload their things. And then, you know, we'll show it on the microsite rather than literally just happening on Instagram. के hashtag use करो और वो करो. So, I'm assuming उस time पे ऐसी बातें होती होंगी advertising में भी. जैसे अब ये ultimately it's about तुमने क्या कराना है किसको.
In fact,
whoever the user is.
what happens with these technologies, जितना मेरे को समझ आ रहा है, is that the number of people that can do it will exponentially increase. Like मतलब what Canva did to designing, a certain set of people who would never call themselves designers are now designing, casual designers, right? तो software engineering के साथ भी वही होगा to a certain.
ये तो चल रोल्स है, बट मुझे तो लगता है अब जैसे ये चैट तूने वो पढ़ा है, वो चैट जीपीटी, मतलब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट whatever has hired now a couple of senior people who have led ad sales. Instacart and all these places जहाँ पे ad tech is a thing because they have distribution. चैट जीपीटी देखेंगे ads, अभी तो clean interface है. I wonder what their thing is going to be though. Like websites जब शुरू हुई थी तो the basic way of showing ads was basically ऊपर banner, side में banner, बीच में banner, ये सारी imagine ये भी किया था मैंने, मेरी जो वो internship थी उस टाइम डिजिटल मीडिया जो होता था ऐसे because सेल्फ सर्विंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स बहुत कम थे like Facebook and all के, मतलब ऐसा जैसे अब तो हम सीधा करते हैं और सीधा डालते हैं ना, मेरे को डिसाइड करना है मैं अपने आप करूँगा, एजेंसी, हाँ बट हम एजेंसी थे ना जैसे. So with all these publishing websites, that's still, I guess, how it happens. But your Times Internet, all of these places where you would put money for reach. I used to call them up to ask them for rates. मेरे पास एक list थी.
Are you serious?
Yes, I used to have a list of people who used to work at these places, and I used to call them and I say that I'm from, I've just joined the team. I'm from, मतलब ये Philips के account के लिए हमें पता करना आना था कि can you send your rate card? So they used to send the rate card of side वाले banner का कितना होता है, कितने दिन के लिए. Are you serious?
It wasn't automated. That
not
is
at all. कि top banner के लिए इतना होता है, head ये वो जो भी है, ऐसे करके बातें होती थी. So then it was the same as a physical newspaper. क्योंकि उसमें भी यही होता है ना कि quarter page ad, उसका क्या है, उसका क्या है, इसका क्या है, तो वो main head वो क्या नाम है, होम पेज पे जो बैनर है उसमें ये है, फिर हमारा न्यूज वाली कैटेगरी में बैनर है उसका ये है, मतलब उस टाइम पे भी इट वाजंट एज, अब तो होगा.
उस टाइम पे even smartphones weren't a thing in 2010 2011. Smartphones
this was 20, मतलब I am talking about 2014.
हाँ तब तक तो they were,
स्मार्टफोन्स तो थे बट I guess not everywhere आपकी इतनी लेवल की टारगेटिंग थी, because they had targeting which was more focused on, उन्होंने सेक्शंस बनाए हुए थे ना कि होम पेज पे अगर दिखाना है तो तुम सबको दिखा रहे हो, अगर तुम बिजनेस पे दिखा रहे हो तो यू नो पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बिजनेस आर सीइंग इट.
इट वाजंट एट एन इंडिविजुअल को प्रोफाइल करना, अब तो इंस्टाग्राम पे
मतलब वो भी था, प्रोग्रामेटिक वो सब भी होता था, बट लाइक एडवर्टाइजर्स वर नॉट वेरी, बिकॉज बजट इतना छोटू होता था. आई रिमेंबर ट्रेनिंग्स उस टाइम पे होती थी, मेटा की ट्रेनिंग 5 दिन की कि ऐसे होता है फेसबुक एड्स प्लेटफॉर्म, गूगल डबल क्लिक की ट्रेनिंग थी, मतलब all these things उस time पे were like fancy. अब तो ऐसे मतलब anybody can sign on, anybody can do an ad account, anybody can do it. It's pretty cool. But yeah.
I think the other thing's going to change is on the reverse side, where people are going to start valuing anything done not with AI a lot more. मतलब and their like experiences जो अब हो रहा है थोड़ा जैसे I don't know, just like things like art and
I hope so.
Like pottery and all
so.
this.
But I still think it's going to be, but it's also going to be a lot more niche, I guess. Appreciate 100%, but I think I mean that's also going to become, I'm only talking from a brand perspective, it's going to become one of those things that you then actively talk about. जैसे for a hot minute artisanal, organic, all these words were like a thing, right? That everybody, now it's bare minimum hai. Now yahi hoga basically. It is hand drawn, hand painted, like done by humans. But at the crux of it, to show our services, we still need to show this is actually what happens, right? Because that, if I don't see that, how do I know कि ये actually है? So you have to balance it. It can't all be AI. It can't all be ये बिल्कुल ही वो है. But 6 months में people will start noticing, हाँ ये
Too
ना
perfect
camera
है,
angle
already
बहुत
it's
ऐसा
happening,
है.
हाँ.
इन्होंने कैसे कर लिया? ये क्या है? वो क्या है? Like all those questions will start happening. So वही मतलब it's a short term thing.
What if every person who's taken a service from, good, bad, ugly, that should be visible to imagine if that's the visibility that I can give to an incoming customer. You've got a real true picture of क्या है क्या नहीं है. Imagine platform being able to do that.
The only thing with that is people are more likely to give you negative reviews than they are to give you positive.
But I'm saying.
Reviews. So what ends up happening is that it always looks skewed towards the negative. Always. Any platform you look at, Google Play देख ले, App Store, App Play वो देख ले.
But तू हमारी daily 5-star rating देख ले, it's 80-90% of the ratings. तो फिर.
But that rating is not a public rating. That is a rating that we have. I am saying in public places, who at what time do you want to go and actually drop a review which other people can see? I am saying as a person who is getting a service, I am more likely to go and drop a bad review in public when it has been an extremely bad experience. Right? I will go and talk about it on Twitter, I will tag the account, all of that, when my private channels have not actually given me that service. If your private channel has given you the right service, very rarely will I go and say कि हाँ सही था.
But did you hear AI का adoption, ChatGPT का adoption as a, what do you call it, as a way to assess AI का adoption? 50 million Indians have downloaded, or no, more. 50 million is monthly active, something like that. Either 50 million have downloaded or 50 million are monthly active.
That's crazy.
Already.
Too good.
Insane speed of adoption.
Too good.
Biggest चीज तो software development में ही लग रहा है.
मतलब marketing also. Biggest tools I guess पता नहीं. सबके अलग-अलग use cases होंगे, but think about मेरा तो बहुत and thinking work, like I don't work in tech but I use it like mad for work. I'm not even के मतलब generally.
Yeah.
Thinking
it can
work,
think better,
organization
honestly it
work.
can think better. Organizational work.
Critical thinking, anything that requires a level of critical thinking, which is, I mean, an extreme form of that is code. Language, literally.
So it can't solve for taste right now.
I mean, it depends on what you mean when you say solve for taste. If you give it a role and you ask it to judge it a certain way. मतलब when people say taste, they mean specifically for content and marketing, not for code. Like code में तो logic है ना.
Correct. For content marketing ही बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, so content marketing also, you have to give it the right prompt though. मतलब it will not know what you want.
But what if
बताना पड़ेगा, फिर वो कर लेगा.
तो मैं उसको ये बोलूँगा कि.
Is ChatGPT a boy or a girl for you?
Both. All right then. On that note, seems like we have nothing more to add today. But we will think about this testimonial thing and come up with how to get as many